Good morning everyone. Today we are organizing a career counseling session for the students of class 12th, and it is being organized by two resource persons from GLA University. They are basically going to guide the children on how to prepare for the board examination, because we are well known with the situation that due to the negative impact of COVID-19, students are not able to prepare for the examination well. They need motivation, they need guidance. So today by 11:15 we will start, and it is a round of 1.5 hour session, and definitely it is going to be a very good session for the students. So I wish the students of class 12 all the best for today's session. Thank you.
Hey guys, we will go out conducting a session that is provided by the GLA teachers, and I hope it will be good, it will be knowledgeable.
अच्छा, एक चीज हमेशा याद रखना, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन, आपको क्रिटिसाइज दो तरीके के लोग करते हैं, ये मैं दिखाऊंगा क्या। आपको क्रिटिसाइज दो तरीके के लोग करेंगे, और ये आपके साथ ही नहीं, इट हैपेंस विद एवरीबॉडी। नंबर वन, ए पर्सन हु इज हाईली एजुकेटेड। अगर कोई बहुत पढ़ा लिखा और अनुभवी व्यक्ति अगर आपका क्रिटिसिज्म करता है, तो दैट इज योर गुड लक, that now you are in the hands of that person who is going to criticize you. It means you are going to learn something. दूसरा सिचुएशन क्या है कि एक ऐसा व्यक्ति आपका क्रिटिसिज्म कर सकता है जो who is not educated, जो खुद ही पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, जिसको सभ्यता का खुद ही ज्ञान नहीं है।
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है बच्चों के साथ, जहाँ 12वीं सॉल्व नहीं हुई हमने वहीं ड्रॉप कर दिया, हम नहीं पढ़ रहे। यही दिक्कत होती है ना कि अरे यार वो क्यों सॉल्व हुआ। अगर हम उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के पीछे रहते हैं, देखना बड़ा मजा आएगा आगे के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में। वही चीज होती है एजुकेशन, जो सर बोल रहे हैं, इसीलिए एजुकेशन होती है और कोई रीजन नहीं।
लाइफ में हमेशा इसको याद रखना, डेयर टू बी डिफरेंट प्लीज, डेयर टू बी डिफरेंट। थोड़ा डिफरेंट बनने के लिए डिफरेंट काम करना पड़ता है, और जब आप कुछ करते हो ना, पीपल क्रिटिसाइज यू ओनली बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग समथिंग। People criticize because you are doing something, then only you are being criticized. तो अपने मन से हेजिटेशन, और बहुत बड़ी बात सर ने कही, हेजिटेशन होना ही नहीं चाहिए। हेजिटेशन तभी होता है जब हम हाफ नॉलेज है। नॉलेज जब धीरे धीरे जब आप पूरा करते हो ना, और ये सिचुएशन सबके साथ होता है। आई थिंक सर ने, सिद्धार्थ सर ने इतना अच्छा सेशन लिया। आप सर से पूछिए, जब फर्स्ट सेशन लिया होगा तो खुद सर के हाथ कांपे होंगे, सबसे पहला जो सेशन रहा होगा। ये भी हो सकता है कि जो लोग सामने बैठे होंगे वो उस वक्त हंस पड़े होंगे जब सर ने सेशन कंडक्ट किया होगा। उस दिन अगर सर ने सोचा होता कि यार इस काम को छोड़ दो, तो आज हम लोग इतनी अच्छी बातें सर से सीख नहीं रहे। डिपेंड करता है कि चीजों की शुरुआत कैसे करते हैं। अभी हम लोग बैठे थे ऑफिस में और सर से बात हो रही थी। दे आर वेरी एजुकेटेड पीपल। इनका एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट मैं आपको बता दूं, दे आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ GLA यूनिवर्सिटी, और आप सब लोग GLA को जानते हैं। वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम GLA यूनिवर्सिटी डेवलप्ड ए सॉफ्टवेयर Flipper, and for your kind information, that was first welcomed by Google, सबसे बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म।
That is the top 5 software in the world right now, awarded by him.
Yes, and at present that candidate is running his own company, and we really do not know how many people are working there. So what was the purpose? Let me make it very clear. It is not the platform today for the, to highlight the background of GLA University now. The only purpose was that, see, today's generation means you all are active brains. जब हम लोग स्टूडेंट थे तो might be कि we were good in bookish knowledge. आज के समय में क्या है कि you people are very active and creative. Their effort is to take creativity from you and to refine it at national and international level. So it is so nice of Nitin sir and Siddharth sir to be today's resource person, and I, on behalf of Mount Hill Academy family, all staff members, management and students, welcome you, both of you, and in your respect, I request all of you to please put your hands together. So the last guidance which was given to you, that please take your ideas, put it on a piece of paper, whatever the criteria sir has given to you, and give us an opportunity to provide you as active brain to shift your ideas to sir, and they are planning to refine it, and they are planning to shape it at national and international level. So they are doing very good job, and it is in today's time it is very important for the students of secondary and senior secondary level. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
for this
Thank you.
session. It was
Thank
very
you for
good
giving us
for
the
our
opportunity. Thank you.
I was very, happy to see, at least in the age of COVID-19, where we all teachers are struggling for the bright future of the students, you came with a very good session to motivate them for board examination. Thank you.
Thank you. We hope they
Thank you for being with us.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Priya Sharma here from my school, Mount Hill Academy. We have joined a motivational class before some time. Actually, the motivational class conveys the messages that how we can enhance or remove our phobia of examination. We basically suffer a very lot phobia by examination. We came to know how we can cover by it. If we can handle our studies from start to the bottom of the year, then we can handle it very quickly. If we can make a plan to recover it, then it will not create any issue. Exam is not like a fear. It could be a good thing also if we have a good experience and a good revision plan for the long year. The session was conducted by the GLA. That was conducted by the two teachers, respective teachers, who conveys us the very good messages, and that was conducted by the government. And I hope I will apply that principles in my life to good, to be happy. Thank you.
So a very good session was organized by Mr. Nitin Gaur and Mr. Siddharth from GLA University. The students of 12th Science and Commerce attended the session, and all the postgraduate teachers, PGT staff members were also there. And you can see that I am standing here with my principal, Mr. Dipesh Kumarji. It was a very good session organized by the resource person. Basically, they guided the students on how to prepare for the board examination, to come out of the stress, and it was how to motivate the students themselves. And the best part was to go for writing section, how to prepare in writing for the examination, to come out of the exam phobia. Overall, it was so nice of the resource person that the students were at least out of the trauma of examination, and we are sure that very soon students will be relaxed after this session for board examination 2021. So it was very nice of the resource person, and it was a very good session for them.